We're going to be using the Permaset Supercover Copper ink for this wonderful print today. Go ahead and check out the video, follow along. A couple of tips and tricks on printing hoodies. First thing is I like using mist for hoodies. Some people use web. It does leave a little bit of residue and it's a little, in my opinion, overly sticky for hoodies. It likes to grab on them too much. So for spray adhesive mist, you're gonna use this before every single hoodie. So you're gonna go through a little bit more of it, but it's worth it in the long haul. Okay, so the first tip is at this point, I haven't eased it into place yet or stuck it to the pallet. What you wanna do, start on one side and then gently pull the hoodie so you're getting minimal movement when it does go under the flash. Hoodies like to move because of the thickness of the material. After you're happy with that, you're gonna pre-flash your hoodies. So warm up the hoodie, allow the shrinkage to occur, get it nice and warm. For full production, it does help if you have your pallets nice and hot. The Riley Hopkins 300 has aluminum pallets. Those are great at retaining heat and making your flashing much quicker for production. Okay, so now that we got our hoodie loaded, in place, groomed, we're gonna hit it with this Permaset Aqua Copper. Look at that, with one pass, already looking amazing. So, and you'll see when we come back and do our second layer, because we groomed it properly, because we pre-flashed the hoodie, everything should fall right into place. We should have no ghosting. The print should look very good, even in the sharp corners and fine details, if you follow those suggestions. And just touch, making sure that it's dry to the touch. It's a good flash. And for a second layer. Beautiful poppin' copper, sharp details, nothing moved on us. So the Permaset Supercover is generally going to be very good through 110 or 130 print flash print. If you want it to be extra durable or give it like a really opaque coverage, 3 layers. Higher mesh count might need some more passes, but generally I find that I don't need to do more than 3. Okay, so for production and levels of productivity, we'll show you up close on these hoodies. It's nowhere near as thick as printing plastisol, white plastisol through a 110. It's more free-flowing and kind of breathes on you better. So it's just a much more premium product. When you pull these off, you don't want to yank them off. So I usually start this way and give it just one nice tug so that you're not stretching the print as it comes off. On hoodies, we have a 24-inch belt, so we're going to tuck our sleeves in, make sure that nothing gets caught on the inside. We don't want to have anything caught in the tunnel. And this is another benefit of having your gates raised, is so that everything can flow through there more freely with hoodies. So I think on this tunnel, we're about 45 seconds at the speed I have it set on right now. Add that to the time that it's already been flashing. So that is another benefit of like 3 layers, is more flash time. So you're gonna have flash time on press plus 2 passes through the dryer. I find that it's very adequate curing at those specs. If you are just curing with a flash dryer, having your garments set up on a different station than where you're printing is another beautiful sign of the water vapor escaping. That's what we want to see. Have your hoodie set up on a different station, not on your press, and take it off if you are going to put it on the press, so that it's not stuck to the platen still. And we'll throw it back through one more time. So this is where a lot of the extra effort goes into as far as curing. And when you wash the water base too, it actually gets softer. So a lot of times it'll come out of the dryer and it may feel similar to like very well printed plastisol. Once you wash it, it loosens up even more and gets even more free flowing. Good. When you do a stretch test, you don't need to rip it. Like if you try and rip it, give it about an inch or so of stretch. If it withstands that, you're looking good. So here again, like you can't really do that with plastisol. This is just a much more free-flowing, breathable, and still high opacity ink. So yeah, give it a go. Cool, so you checked out the video. If you guys are interested in checking out the Permaset Supercover, go ahead and visit our website, www.norcalsps.com. Give us a call or visit our showroom. Awesome ink, give it a try.